The eternal struggle, man versus himself. Since the moment humankind first lit a fire in a cave, conflict was born. Alongside that light came a shadow that has never vanished from history. From the fight for food in the Stone Age, driven by survival, to the battles over resources and land for settlement, armed only with stone tools and primitive weapons, conflict has marked every era of prehistory, stretching back more than 2 million years. Then came the wars of recorded history, beginning with the Greco-Persian Wars around 490 BCE, followed by the fall of the Roman Empire. The Crusades emerged, nearly 2 centuries of religious conflict between Christianity and Islam. Wars for the throne raged between England and France from 1337 to 1453. Colonial conquests swept across Africa and Asia during the 17th and 18th centuries. The world endured 2 global wars between 1914 and 1945, followed by independence movements from 1945 to 1975. And the Cold War spanning the entire 20th century. Even today, humanity has not ceased its warfare. It erupts across the globe, in Europe, the Middle East, East Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Americas. From stones, swords, and shields, to guns, tanks, and advanced weaponry, conflict remains a test of coexistence, a testament to what it means to be human. It is not merely a clash of arms, but a collision of ideas, beliefs, and irreconcilable hopes. As civilizations evolve, so too does the complexity of conflict. In the digital age, it no longer resides solely on battlefields. It hides within data and algorithms, in a single post, a passing conversation, or even in the silence of non-response. Conflict does not only tear humanity apart, it forges our greatest transformations. To understand one another is to seek meaning between love and hate. Unity and division. Peace and war. For in the end, conflict is not the end of civilization. It is the beginning of learning how to live together. In the next chapter, we'll seek answers to what lies ahead for humankind. Stay tuned.